My name is Adonis and this is my 1995 993. I just completed it. It's been a project that I got at the end of 2022. Shortly after I got diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, and this was pretty much what helped ground me during my treatment. So I did a bunch of projects on it, along with the local Porsche community came and helped me. But it has a 3.8, it has a BBS LMs, and I have RS splitters and rockers and a Getty ducktail. I also did the interior, and after I finished treatment, I've been enjoying life and enjoying just getting out there and just driving the back roads. So thankful for everything, full of gratitude, and just ready to make memories. So this is my memory maker.